a dream I know. Deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Hello reality viewers, welcome back again to Reality Latest Gist, the home of news and politics. For this channel, we dey drop news every day and we dey react to every videos wey comes our way. And na reality news na we dey drop for this channel, and we dey also dey talk am as e be. If today na the first time we say you dey come across this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are returning subscribers, I appreciate all of una for una massive support to this channel. I say may God bless all of una in Jesus name. Amen. I get video wey I want present to una this very moment, and I go dey follow una dey watch the video. After we don watch am together, make we drop our opinion constructively for the comment section. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. Bye for now.
I welcome Biafran all over the world, lovers of freedoms, friends of Biafrans, lovers of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and the haters of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, which is our leader. I welcome everyone. Please, I will like everyone that is awake at this time or at this moment that come across this live video, please to share it around, because I am here to make a very important broadcast and a message to Mazi Chika Edoziem, HOD/DOS, to make an urgent clarification as to regard to the issue of Simon Ekpa and the memo that was issued. It's very, very important, and this very program is very important for Biafran. So please, I would like you to share this very program. Please share this very broadcast as much as you can. Welcome your friends and neighbors. In this very program, I won't waste any time to deliver my message. I will do that very, very quickly. And I have to proceed. I have to proceed. I don't need to wait for anything. I need to proceed and deliver my message. Mazi Chika Edoziem is the head of DOS, Directorate of State, the governing body of IPOB. And this my message is going to him direct, and also to other members of DOS. Now I want to remind everyone Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the message of hope, is the message of encouragement, is the message of enlightenment, and is a message of passion, is a message of freedom, is a message of liberation. And all these things that I quoted, now they all boils down to emotion. They all boils down to emotion. Whenever you see any man or woman seeking for survival, seeking for freedom, these are the product of emotion. Anybody who is not emotional, who does not have emotion, cannot seek for all these things. And right now, since the arrest of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Onyendu, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, it has amongst Biafrans, among IPOP family, including the leadership. And anywhere you see emotion, then anywhere emotion, anywhere you see emotion, you will see sentiment. You will see hate. So many people who are emotional will misjudge you, misunderstand you. They can equally hurt you out of emotion, because emotion is a great weapon that is available to human. Is a weapon either to negative or a weapon to positive. People can be so much passionate out of their emotion, love you so much, and the people can out of their emotion hurt you so much. People can out of their emotion destroy you. People can out of their emotion protect you and promote you. So therefore, we must understand the law that governs human emotion. Is very, very important. Whenever there is emotion, whenever there is charge, there must be every need for clarification to the point where anyone that is involved can understand you. There is need for engagement. There is need for clarification. When emotion is involved, you will keep explaining. You don't just explain once and you back down. You will keep explaining. When emotion is involved, you will keep clarifying yourself when emotion is involved, because that is the law that governs emotion. You cannot abandon people when they are emotionally charged, hoping that they understand or hoping that they will understand. The law of emotion disagreed with it. When people are emotionally charged, they don't understand because you abandon them. They don't understand because you refuse to explain to them. They don't understand because you refused to clarify to them. If people are emotionally charged, you need to engage them. You need to engage them. So therefore, I am sending this message to the head of DOS, Mazi Chika Edoziem. The mantle of leadership has fallen on you at this very moment. In the absence of our leader, you must understand how they found, because so many people is missing Nnamdi Kanu now. It's not only IPOP family that are missing Nnamdi Kanu. The fan of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who are not even Biafrans, are missing him. Biafrans are missing him. People who are not IPOP members, who are Biafrans, they are missing him. They are missing IPOP member at this moment are missing Nnamdi Kanu. And the worst part of it is that most of them have been emotionally distraught because of the injustice that is melted against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So many of them have been emotionally distraught because of that. We must know that there is too much emotion on the land. We must know that there is too much emotion amongst the people who depends on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for leadership, who depend on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for source of information, for encouragement, for hope, we must know there is too much emotion on the line. And the best way, the law of emotion, the law of helping emotion is an engagement, clarification. And that is why I am sending this message to Mazi Chike with due respect to the authority of IPOB. We need clarification in the issue of Simon Ekpa and the memo that was issued. DOS and the Mazi Chike should not play a role that they don't know what is happening. That will be worse to the issue of too much emotion that is on the ground that was melted against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That will make more emotional charge to the people. So therefore, I am calling them for clarification. What is happening or what people are feeling. People have not recovered from the extraordinary rendition of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the beating that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu got in Kenya, the humiliation. People has not recovered. People has not recovered. They are still heartbreak. They still feel like they still feel bad about that situation. They are still emotional, and there must be sentiment. There must be sentiment because emotion is in control. Their emotion is in control in the sense of their judgment, in the sense of the judgment of people. And that is why you see people, after suspending sit at home, they still go ahead to sit at home. And right now, we need clarification in the issue of Simon Ekpa. And this is what I wanted Mazi Chike to come out and engage Biafrans. DOS, come out and engage Biafrans and do some clarifications. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we believe to be the leader and the highest command in IPOB. And in one of the things that I need clarification from my highest office, which Chike Doziem professes to be the highest command of IPOB, and the ODOS professes the same thing. Now, the office of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu what Simon Ekpa is doing, he take an IPOB member to do it. So the office of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu automatically declared Simon Ekpa a registered member of IPOB. Now DOS, if we believe, Mazi Chike Doziem, with due respect, if we believe that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the highest command, is the highest office in IPOB, then his office, in his broadcast, where the world were seated, listening to him, he said he takes IPOB member to do what Simon Ekpa is doing. If his office recognize that what Simon Ekpa is doing qualified him an IPOB member, Mazi Chike Doziem and DOS, do you have reason to dispute it? To watch Finland National Coordinator to issue memo and dispute the office of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Chike Doziem, will you watch it happen? we need clarification. The second thing I want to point out about the oath, the reason for taking oath in IPOB is to make people to deliver towards our agitation to restore Biafra. And then, if somebody is delivering, does that person still need oath? If you are delivering already, do you still need oath? Because the oath is for people to deliver towards the restoration of Biafra. Then if someone is delivering, the person still needed to take oath. And I come out from there. We need clarification. Now, I came out from there. The office of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu administered oath to Simon Ekpa. It doesn't matter whoever that the office of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu at that moment direct to administer that oath. But the fact is that the oath was directed to administer from the office of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. If Mazi Nnamdi Kanu still our leader, the highest command, then why is the memo issued? Is disputing what the office of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu give directive on. If he is the highest command, we need clarification. There is so many sentiments, and when emotional is in control, it works two ways. It's either he destroys or he builds. And the law of emotion requires engagement and the clarification to regain the people's confidence, to make sure that people are being carried along. So if the office of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu directed for an oath to be administered, does anyone who professes for Nnamdi Kanu to be the highest command or the leader of IPOB, does anyone in the Directorate of State or Mazi Chike Doziem as the Directorate of State, do you have any reason to dispute that directive of the highest command? When Uche Mofo is there, Uche Mofo in one of his broadcasts says there is two people who can give order without consultation in IPOB, and that is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and himself. He said it, and the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu did not dispute it. In one of the broadcasts of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, when he resurfaced after being missing for 1 year, he said that there is things that is only him that knows in this struggle, and there is few to refuse his directive. Do we have reason to underrate his directive? These are the things that I needed clarification, and I'm calling on the US to engage Biafrans on this. Don't think they understand. Don't think they know. Don't think that there is secret at this point that can be hidden from the people that can help to address the issue of the emotion. Emotion generates sentiments. Emotion covers the genuine process of one deciding what is right or wrong. when emotion is very charged, he lost the right sense of judgment. And the only thing that cures it, is an engagement, clarification. And that is why I'm doing this very program. We need to engage and clarify people. Not only once, not only say things once and then you disappear out of the air. It's constant engagement. You need to know that these are the duty that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have been doing for Biafrans over the years. He come often, keep on lecturing, keep on clarifying, gathering. He doesn't issue statements and then disappears. Everything he does, he brings clarification into it. He engaged the people. He helped to relax the emotion. It's very important. The issue of Simon Ekpa need an urgent address from Mazi Chika Edoziem, the leader of DOS, the head of DOS at this very moment. Very important. Again, I am appealing with due respect at this very moment regarding the directive of our leader, confirmed by the head of DOS, that our leader directed that Simon Ekpa should get a slot in Radio Biafra. And I want to advise on this because I believe that it is the responsibility of every one of us to ensure that the mission of IPOB is accomplished. Which mission is to restore Biafra. It's our responsibility to ensure that the reason why we have the IPOB family in the first place is achieved. My advice counts. I believe my opinion counts. Or what I said does not mean anything to them. So I believe my advice. I believe that my contributions is also required. And that is why we are here. And that is why we are calling all Biafrans to join the family to restore Biafra. So I'm advising on this very point that Mazi Chika Edoziem should take up his responsibility and begin to address issues. Simon Ekpa was asked to get a slot in Radio Biafra by our leader. And we believe that our leader instruction is the ultimate. Then, what I am advising is this. If Simon Ekpa did not get slot to Radio Biafra as a member of IPOB, or as a member of IPOB, who should abide with all conducts and every rule and procedures. If he doesn't get that slot, for the time being that our leader is still on detention and he give that directive, Mazi Chika Edoziem, it is under your responsibility to use wisdom to ensure that everything that our leader give directive on is carried out to the letter. And what are the wisdom that I want you to use here? abide with every rule and conduct. Can't you work out a temporal agreement or a temporal template our leader from the detention of DSS? You can contract Simon Ekpa as an independent broadcaster. If there be any statement he issued that is not accordant with what IPOB is doing, then you call him in order. Then you'll be able to direct him, but let him function as an independent broadcaster. Since this is the directive of our leader, draft a contract. Is in your position to draft a contract. There is people who get contracts here for a period of time. You can draft a contract that this contract is based on the directive of our leader from DSS detention, so that this contract could be as long as our leader lasts in detention. You draft it and you bring him in as an independent broadcaster. It happens. People hire professional. Aloy Ejimako and the legal lead of IPOB today, they are not member of IPOB, but they are hired on a professional ground. Basis. There is a lobby firm that IPOB hired, pay money. They are not IPOB members, they are not oath members, but they are hired on the ground of professionalism. And there's so many people that are also working for IPOB that are not members. IPOB, it has people who work for them who are not even Biafrans, but they are hired. The contract is based that this is the job you are coming to do, and you sign the contract. You can give Simon Ekpa slot in Radio Biafra, and they draft a contract that can accommodate him and accommodate Biafra. And they base it on the directive of our leader from the DSS detention. This is an advice that I'm giving, because it's the duty of the leaders to calm the emotion that is everywhere because of the injustice that is meted against our leader. Because of the adoption of our leader, people were emotionally charged, and you can't use power to subdue them. You engage them. You need to win their emotion. You need to win their passion. You cannot say they don't matter, they don't count. Everything counts as long as this very agitation is concerned. Everything counts. Our leader extends hands to welcome people. He accommodates people. Despite that, he's a high principle man, but he also gives people opportunity to prove themselves. This is my advice. This is midnight, and I have been sleepless. I have been standing before my altar in my prayer for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and for IPOB family. I have not failed to remember every one of you in prayer every day, including our enemies, who is going to help us to make this very restoration come quick. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has once in his broadcast, while the whole world is watching, and told the whole world that Buhari will give us Biafra. Buhari is the enemy of Biafra. But his activities, there is people who hate us so much, but the activities is going to help to make the restoration of Biafra come quick. You see the governors today, the activities is making us to be more aggressive and more passionate about Biafra. So this is my advice. Everything counts, no matter how little it is. Mazi who are emotionally charged forward, not backward. Listen to this advice that I'm giving. Anything that we cannot achieve with the present rule and conduct that is being established, we can actually draft something, draft an agreement or contract that will enable us, that will enable the family get the service elsewhere. It's very important. Please, my people, we need to control this emotion, because this emotion will mislead our people. If we let this emotion that is all over the land, all over everywhere right now, he's going to mess us up. He's going to mix us up. Nobody will be listening to who. And by allowing it, we might decide what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has labored over the years to build, including all of you, who has been consistent, congruent consult, been in IPOB contributing, and making every effort with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to build this family. So please, I am begging for engagement, for us to start buying wisdom, for us to start being clever, because I believe that all the members of DOS, they are very wise. I know they are passionate about Biafran and about the safety of Biafran people. I know they are passionate about it. That's why they went to the extent they went to extra. If DOS come across this video, if Mazi Chike Edoziam come across this video, please look into all the things that are narrated here. Not only Simon Ekpa, every other person that are being recommended by our leader. If what you have on the ground today cannot accommodate them, begin to look for a temporal contract. It's in your power to do it for Biafra. It's in the power of DOS to do it for Biafra. You can hire expertise, draft a contract with them. You can hire people who has already been seen to be delivering. You can hire them, draft a temporal contract with them. We need every bullet available. When people, you have seen people today, and that brought me to another point that needs clarification. And that is the point of the financial department of IPOB. Mazi Chike Edoziem, you need to rise up to the occasion. During the time when our leader was arrested at the first time, there is an accusation of what is what do they call it? It escaped my mind, because sometimes if you are talking these are coming. They come with that fund. Where is the fund? Where is the thing that was sent from abroad? The race station that was sent from abroad. They come with all this accusation. Even as they making this accusation, Radio Biafra was busy clarifying people, engaging people. Even the head of the department, the head of financial department, was coming to the Radio Biafra, broadcasting, clarifying people, engaging people, telling people where we are. And they have not failed to do this teaching. And now that people are full of emotion everywhere, the head of the department, the financial head of the department is not talking. And there is accusations here and there. Even the people who's supposed to be principal officers, who's supposed to be working, who's supposed to be people that will be controlling information, most of them are also busy going from one place to the other, saying things that have no evidence, have no enough evidence, just because they are Zoom. And those things are in the table of DOS. But somebody is busy going around. DOS need to rise up to the occasion. Mazi Chike Edoziem, with due respect, rise up to occasion. IPOB family, go to every platform of IPOB family. Tension everywhere. Argument everywhere. We are not seeing it. And it is under the responsibility of DOS. They need to engage. They need to make clarification. There are certain things that they need to introduce transparent into it. People are asking questions. They are emotionally frustrated. They miss Mazi Nnamdi Kanu so much. They miss him so much. They miss our leader. They don't need to be IPOB members. There is millions of people who are not IPOB members that are following Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And they right now they are looking for leadership from IPOB. They want to see the stuff that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has produced in IPOB. They are depending on leadership from IPOB and no other person. They don't have trust on the governors. They don't have trust on the senators. They don't have trust on any of political representative. The only people they trust, though they are not the members of IPOB, but the only people they trust is IPOB family. And we need to offer them leadership. We need to consider them. We need to consider their emotion. We need to consider their passion. And most of them have resolved to self-help right now, which was the reason why sitting at home, even when the order of sit at home was suspended. I don't need to talk too much. I don't need to continue on this very broadcast to the next 1 hour or to the next 30 minutes. A word is enough for a while. But we should not keep quiet. People like me, I should not keep quiet. I should come out to advise. Because everybody needs it. It doesn't matter your level. It doesn't matter what you need. At every level, at every point in time, you need to listen to advice. You need to listen to people. Speak to you. Because when you are speaking to people, like as God, we are begging God for everything, He's doing everything for us. We'll also have a way of feeding God back. And the way we feed Him back is to praise Him, is to thank Him. So you that is leading us, suffering for us, making sacrifice for us, the best way to appreciate you more is also to give you advice. Is also to support you with our advice, our godly advice, our sincere advice of sincerity. So we need one of us. Whatever you do counts. Whatever we do counts. I will once again say thank you as you will share this very program to the hand of Mazi Chike Edoziem with due respect. Until it get to their hands. This crisis that is happening in the financial department, they should take control. Engage people. Make people to understand those who are telling lies. Because Biafrans, they are full of emotion at this time after the adoption of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So everything goes. Because they are looking for consolation. They are looking for comfort. They are looking for hope. They are looking for enlightenment. Because this thing was taken away from them when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was adopted. And they are looking to recover. And the only people who can help this recovery to happen very quickly are the member of DOS and the Mazi Chike Edoziem. The whole people are trusting for leadership from IPOB. Both the members, non-members, Biafrans, because they know that nobody is speaking for them except IPOB. They know that nobody is fighting for them except IPOB family. They know that no politician is telling them the truth. That the only truth they have had is the one that IPOB, through the leadership of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, have shown them. Give me 1 minute. I'm rounding up. My battery is down and I just have to round up before it goes. Thank you for listening, and they try to share. If you are emotionally charged at this very time, don't consider yourself as making the right judgment about people. You need to calm yourself down. You need to calm yourself down to make a right judgment. Please, support Biafra. Support the restoration of Biafra. Support the freedom of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Support the freedom of Biafra. Support referendum for Biafra. Please let us not lose focus, because we have sacrificed a lot on this very journey. Thank you for listening. Share this very program. Share it everywhere you can. Don't be greedy about it. Continue to share. Thank you for listening. My name remains Solomon Peter. I will come your way again. Wait for more updates. As to regard to engaging Biafrans, calming Biafrans down, giving them directions, supporting their emotions. Wait for more updates from them. Thank you. May Shukwu Tabiama continue to bless you, bless your family.